Hello friend, welcome back. PHP is one of the oldest and most popular web development languages, and Laravel is its most popular framework. In this video, I will discuss about why. The PHP scripting language has a variety of frameworks with robust technical capabilities such as Laravel, Symfony, Coordinator, Falcon, CakePHP, Zen, and Slim, etc. Yet Laravel has retained the top position on the list of the top PHP MVC frameworks. If you go to the Google trend and compare Laravel with other all frameworks, then this result will surprise you. The following screen shows the trend over the last 5 years of selecting PHP frameworks on Google Trends. The graph above clearly shows how Laravel has increasingly become popular as compared to the other PHP web frameworks over the last 5 years. So what is the reason to gain such a huge popularity and how it's cover all the things that your web application needs? First of all, Laravel is a fast development lifecycle and less code functionalities. It's easy to learn, making web application faster, configuration errors and exception handling, automation testing work, URL routing configuration is very high in Laravel. Schedule task configuration and management, it has huge community and unlimited resource. If you face any issues, you will get lot of resource from the Google and from the Laravel forums. And most importantly, it's very easy to get a job if you have Laravel skill. In our next video, I will take you a deep dive into what exactly is Laravel and the reason why Laravel remains the leading PHP frameworks even today. So, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.